Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyanamukela ku channel yami nisahleli neselokazi intombi endala ugogo Patricia. So I just want to answer one of the comments I got here on YouTube. Somebody saying gogo ngiphuphe ngibhala test, right? I'll try put it somewhere here. So lo muntu uthi yena waphupha abhala test while writing test makabheke emuva ubona umuntu ogulayo. Remember guys, I did tell you several times that ukuphupha usesikolweni, there's something particularly they're trying to teach you, right? So ubhala exam. Yes, it's all about having to write an exam, meaning mobile exam, you are being tested on the knowledge or on the information that you have so far. Remember, ungena iskolo, right? Ungena iskolo, you write tests, you write whatever throughout the year, matric, whatever. When you get to December, when you are in matric, you are being tested on all the things that you did throughout the year and probably grade 11 and whatever. So you passing will say that you were listening and you did learn. You failing, it will say you were not listening and you were not learning, right? Chances are you were being absent at school. Chances are you were being taught in class but decided not to pay attention, or you were making noise when they were talking. So it can be a whole lot of things, right? So here you are, wena ubhala test, then mawuthi ubheke emuva kunomuntu ogulayo. Literally they want to see ukuthi in your normal state, what would you do? Right? Because emapushweni, they literally showing you a reflection of what you would do or what you did. Wena ungacabanga ukuthi ephupheni unga-acta differently, but because bona they've been seeing and they've been monitoring it, unfortunately they will show you exactly. So umbuzo ukuthi mawubona lo muntu ogulayo wenzeni? Did you feel like yo lo muntu uyagula, yo awuthi ngigijime ngiyomkhulekela? Oh ay uyagula wambheka nje? Like, you understand? Like, I don't know if you're understanding me. Isebenza kanjalo. So what did you do? They trying to tell you ukuthi you did something that is not, you know, balancing, or it's not doing the things that's supposed to make the things happen. But anyways, gogo, word of advice, you walking, umakhelwane uyeza uyakhala ukuthi my child is sick, my child is not feeling well. Your friend is coming to you, walking up to you to say, ngiyagula, I'm not feeling well. Going forward, you should go to the person and be like, anything you can do can be like, okay, let's just hold hands, let me pray for you. Or ukulaphi, la kubuhlungu, let me touch you here, let me pray for you. We understand? Bring a glass of water, let me pray for you. Yabo, unenkinga la on the waist, let me porter the ntambo for you, let me pray for you. Ifase. You understand? Do something. Or even if you don't walk up to them, if umuntu yakufonela athi I'm not feeling well, once you hang up the phone, go to your knees. Go down your knees. Pray. Pray for that person. Unfortunately, in the spirit or in the spiritual world, once you do something, it unlocks something. So for as long as you're not learning what they're trying to teach you now, you will not move to the next grade. So your next grade and your passing, it's dependent on whether are you listening and are you learning what they're trying to tell you now. So ngiyabonga emakhosini lesedikhanya qamakunda uwe.